Python create Unix timestamp 5 minutes in the future. I have to create an expires value 5 minutes in the future, but I have to supply it in Unix timestamp format. I have this so far, but it seems like a hack. Is there a module or function that does the timestamp conversion for me?
Another way is to use calendar.timeIcon. It's also more portable than %s flag to struct time, which doesn't work on Windows.
Now in Python is greater than or equal to 3.3, you can just call the timestamp method to get the timestamp as a float.
Just found this, and it's even shorter.
This is what you need. You can use datetime.structtime to get the time in epoch form, using the %s format string. Note, this only works under Linux, and this method doesn't work with time zones.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.